Welcome back. Time for another headset video from JBL. And no, we are not sponsored by JBL. This time we will be looking the Endurance Race. This is a little bit different from the wave beam that we checked before. The buds are IP67 graded, so you can go swimming with these if you want. Keep in mind that the cradle is only IP2, so that won't survive near water. It has 6mm elements and dual microphones, so it has microphones on both headpieces. So voice quality on chat should be quite good. Now, as this is our third video about JBL headsets, I will not go through the pairing process. You can check that from our other JBL videos. And same as the wave beam, this also has the ambient aware and talk through. That's about it. Let's move to unboxing. Now, this model has these little wings, so they will fit even better in your ears compared to the wave beam. So as you can see, they fit in quite nicely. The cradle. There are 3 different sizes of earpieces, so these should fit into any kind of ear, big or small. Yeah, if you don't wanna use the wings, there's also standard, I don't know, sockets, so you can use them just as any other true wireless headset. The manual. Standard 10cm USB-A to USB-C cable. That's it. Now I will be using these for a few weeks and I will let you know what I think of them now. Okay, now I've been using these now for 3 weeks and I have to say that I really like them. The Twistlock, as the JBL calls them, really ensures that the headphones really stick into your ears even though you're doing something intense, running, jogging, jumping, whatever that might be. The battery life holds as they are promising. The sound quality is pretty much same as on the JBL Beam, so the low noises are little hefty, let's say.
Hefty bass.
Hefty bass, yeah. But overall, you can change it from the settings if you are annoyed by it. I didn't have to do anything. The Ambient Aware is actually quite good setting. I've been using that lately when I'm outside using my bike, because with that well, hello there. What do you think about this? Like I said, the Ambient Aware is very good when you're exercising publicly, running or driving with your, excuse me. Could I have the table, please? Okay, well, never mind. Sit down, please. No. When you're outside exercising, the Ambient Aware ensures that while you are listening your music, you can hear what's happening near you. So you know if someone is coming close or something. It's good when you're moving on a public streets where there are other people there also. If I have to dig something negative about this, the charging cradle is a little bit bigger than on the wave beam, which is kind of the standard true wireless headset. But the extra wings, the Twistlocks require space, so it's not possible to do that in any other way. Overall, I recommend this for more demanding exercise. Very good purchase in my opinion. As again, thanks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.